Welcome to my 0 to 10K in 30 days Amazon advertising challenge for my Amazon KDP books. I'm Dean the Wealth Coach, and let's get started. Alright, so let's see how we did yesterday. Alright, and drum roll please. And we didn't hit anything yesterday. So or today I should say. So yesterday, we did, what was yesterday? The second. So we sold yesterday. Alright, so this book. So what I noticed was this got recorded in the what's it called? The marketing section as a sale, but it doesn't report to you as income until the book is sent out. So this sale came in yesterday. So that one, I think this was also print book. So I guess people ordered and then it came in afterwards. Alright, so we got some sale. We got a print version here. Alright, so in total, what is it? Custom. Let's do January 12th to today and multiply. So $58 total. Oh, $58. Far, but I'm optimistic. So let's go here and check out. Let's go to UK first. Let's get that out the way. Day 23, 7 days left. Holy, can't believe it already. So if this is your first time watching, welcome. And if you do find any value in this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so this one I'm not touching. I'm gonna just continue letting this simmer. I don't think, which one? Yeah, this is the only one that's actually spent some money. Let's see what keywords popped up, if it has any. Just dynamic bids. Targeting. Let's see. So just loose delivery. It doesn't say, but I will leave it at that. Let's see what the Canadian market is saying, and nothing. Canada. Let's go to the US. So let's see here. We didn't spend any money yesterday. Oh, we did. We spent $3. $3 yesterday. Let's see here. What is moving? This is what is not moving. Not much movement. $3 as it says that we spent. All these ads. Let's check with this one. Spend. So this one we're not spending any. Oh, we did spend any. This was The first, yes, I can't really spend anything. This one is high. We haven't made anything from this one. So now I have to click this add to rest. If you guys have any tips or tricks, make sure to leave it in the comments below. If you're finding value in these videos, please hit the subscribe button. This week I'm gonna release another book and put up here. I need to find time to make the low content books. So I only have 1 or 2 low content books, and the other is high content. The other 3, well, one's a kid's book, and then the other 2 are high content. So you can see the results here, how much I spent, how much I made. Some of them I spent a bit much, so I reduced the ads. I don't have any winners yet, but I'm just gonna leave this one. This one looks like the A class one up. This one looks like it's still pushing it. $1. No, this is the same stuff. Okay. Yeah, so I reduced the cost for the books. So what I'm gonna do, or hopefully today, I'm gonna get another book up and running and throw it into the mix with the rest of these and see how that goes, and also work on like a coloring book, throw that in the mix. From what I see here, it looks like I'm gonna have to have a lot of books to get to the 10K mark a month until I become a best-selling author. Then just start seeing those 10K months, no problem. But that seems like it's going to be a long way ahead, unless in the next 7 days I hit the 10 grand and boom, I got this formula, and I'll be able to show you guys. So that's what I'm gonna work on. I got a few more ideas. I just haven't had the, well, I've been working on the high content one. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to create the low content ones and see if I can put more on here. What I'm going to do is keep the ad costs very low until I start to see traction, and hopefully that starts to bring in sales. 7 to like 14 cents is not a bad is not bad for cost per click. If I'm paying like 80-90 cents a day, it starts to add up. So you want to try to keep your advertising cost as low as possible. I guess just finding those winning keywords. Once you have the keywords down, then it's pretty much you're good to go. It's keywords to conversions, then you're pretty much on the right track. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day 24.